Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, we're going to be making you a double box, okay? And this is, well, I should have said a twin box, but it's a double box. And this is going to be a deluxe beef stroganoff. And I'm going to tell you what all you're going to need for that. You're going to need 4.5 cups of milk. You're going to need a cup of hot water. This is hot water, guys. Hot water. Please use the hot water. About 3 pounds of ground beef, 80-20. And I got some garlic salt. I got some granulated onion. And I have some black pepper. Alright. So all I'm going to do is just take this ground beef. I freeze all my ground beef like this because I buy mine in a big tube. I'm just going to just pour this in here, just like so. I normally wash my bag out, then throw it in the garbage if my bag's empty, like, okay, you don't want your house stinking with food. So we'll put this to the side, and we're going to put some seasoning on this meat. So I'm going to use a teaspoon of this granulated, garlic salt. So that's about a teaspoon of that. And I'm not going to put no salt in because I already have salt in the garlic, okay? So I'm going to use a teaspoon of this granulated onion. And I love black pepper. I know you guys heard that many a time before. But I'm going to put that black pepper, I'm going to put like I want to say a tablespoon, but I ain't going to put a tablespoon. I put a teaspoon and a half, how about that? And just put a little bit on my plate. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and take this over here. We're going to get to cooking this up, browning this up, and then we're going to go ahead and start using that stuff. This does not call for butter, so you don't need no butter with this, guys. This is a really simple, easy recipe. Alright? So I'll see you guys over there in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. And all I'm doing here is just working this seasoning this meat. Because I don't want all the seasoning sitting in one spot, okay? If you want this to have big chunks in yours, then you can not break it up so fine. Alright guys, I'm just going to go ahead and keep stirring this up till it gets brown. And we're going to strain it. Okay guys, I'm back. We're going to cook it for about 6.5 minutes. The box is 6 to 7 minutes. I think it's done for me. That looks done for me. I want to just strain that. You can use a colander, or you can use one of these strainers right here. I'm just going to pour that out. Alright guys, I'm back. Poured out all that grease and stuff like that. Quick little turn in. We're going to come in here with our noodles. 1, 2. I'm making 2. Here's cheese sauce. And the cheese sauce is powder. I'm going to make this from scratch too one day for you guys. You go over here and get my hot water. This is called for 1 cup. You're making 1 and then it's a half a cup. You're making 1 of the milk and then it's 2.5. I'm just going to pour this in there. Just like that. I'm going to let this come up to high temperature. When it starts bubbling, then we're going to turn it to simmer and put a lid on and let it cook for 10 minutes, guys. 10 minutes. We probably put a little Parmesan cheese on it at the end. You don't have to, but I'm going to. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. See how that's bubbling right there? Like that? Huh? This is when you want to put that lid on there. We're going to let this cook for 10 minutes on simmer, guys. Simmer. This was on medium high. Came up to a boil. Put this lid on there. And I'm going to let this cook for 10 minutes. Turn it on simmer. Okay guys, it's been 10 minutes. This is how it look. I know it don't look like it's done, but it is. Trust me. And do stir like, I don't know, like about 5 minutes into the 10 minutes or something, so it won't stick to the bottom. And all you're gonna do is just turn this off and let it stand with the lid off. Okay, for about 5 minutes. All right, and then we'll serve it. See you guys then. Okay guys, I am done. There it is. Hamburger Helper Deluxe Beef Stroganoff. Hamburger Helper recipe. So you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you up close. I know you can't probably see it that far away. So here it is. If I can get this camera not to act a fool. So that's my take. And I did put some Parmesan cheese with some parsley on there. Okay? Alright guys. Made some garlic, not no garlic bread, just some regular toast up on the side. So you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Like and share it. And please subscribe to the channel. And please do not forget, that's right, hit that bell. Hit that bell, y'all, so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG'S Kitchen. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in a minute.